The Monkey and the Rat. Short moral story. Once upon a time, a hungry monkey was sitting under a tree. He saw a rat passing by and asked, "Can you help me find some food?" The rat agreed and led the monkey to a nearby field where they found some delicious fruits. While eating, the monkey noticed the rat's small size and said, "You are so small. How do you manage to survive?" The rat smiled and replied, "I may be small, but I am clever and know how to find food." The monkey thought for a while and said, "I am bigger, but I sometimes struggle to find food. I should learn to be as clever as you." The rat replied, "Size doesn't matter. It's your intelligence and resourcefulness that will help you succeed. Moral of this story is, intelligence and cleverness are more important than physical size. Thanks for watching. Like the story, share, comment and subscribe for more fun and educational content from Little Wonder Stories.